Class 10 Social Science History CBSE Civil Disobedience Movement. We will discuss some question from Civil Disobedience Movement in this video. Then first question is, what was the most stirring demand made by Gandhi on 31st January 1930? Then it was the time of Civil Disobedience Movement. So MK Gandhi demanded the abolition of salt tax. नमक कानून को हटाए जाने की मांग कर दी उन्होंने. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हेन डिड गांधी बिगिन डांडी मार्च? गांधी जी बिगैन डांडी मार्च ऑन 12 मार्च 1930. वेयर डिड ही स्टार्ट दिस मार्च फ्रॉम? ही स्टार्टेड दिस मार्च फ्रॉम साबरमती. इट वॉज हिज आश्रम. एंड नेक्स्ट, हाउ मेनी वॉलंटियर्स accompanied him? 78. About 78 volunteers accompanied him in Dandi March. Next question is, how long did it take to reach Dandi? It took 24 days to reach at Dandi. Mention the distance between Sabarmati and Dandi. The distance between Sabarmati and Dandi was 240 miles. How long did the volunteers walk every day to reach there? Every day, all volunteers had to walk 10 miles per day, and then they reached there. What marked the beginning of civil disobedience movement? The Salt March. The Salt March or Dandi March marked the beginning of civil disobedience movement. Next, how were civil disobedience movement and non-cooperation different from each other? In non-cooperation movement, people were asked to non-cooperate with the government. They were asked to boycott foreign goods. But in these foreign goods and institutions, they were asked to boycott. Here in civil disobedience movement, Gandhi ji asked them to non-cooperate with the government, and he also asked them to break the colonial laws that were creating hurdles in their development. Then this was the difference between you see civil disobedience movement and non-cooperation movement. Under what circumstances did MK Gandhi decide to call off civil disobedience movement? The government started arrestation of national leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Sardar Patel. And after the arrestation of Abdul Ghaffar Khan, who is also known as Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Frontier Gandhi, when he was arrested, a large number of people started demonstration, and you see in Peshawar. When Gandhiji was arrested at Solapur, the industrial workers attacked police station, post offices, railway stations. This way, the movement assumed violent character, and therefore retaliation started by the government. The government, you see, sorry, started lathi charge. At some places, firing was there, and people were killed. At some places, children and women were not spared. They were also beaten. Arrestation of about 1 lakh people was done. And all these, under such circumstances, and the movement was started in 1930, and it was withdrawn. It was withdrawn in 1934. A long period. Therefore, people were tired of such long, you see, mass movement. All these reasons compelled Gandhi to call off the movement. And one more reason, when he went to participate in the second round table conference, it failed. When he came back, he resumed. But people were not so enthusiastic to participate in it because of police atrocities and prolonged mass movement. Then this, so he called off the movement. Next, what do you know about Gandhi-Irwin Pact? Gandhi ji agreed to participate in second round table conference held in London in 1931. on condition that the government would release his political prisoners. This on this ground, two conditions. He agreed to participate in this second round table conference held in London 1931, and the government agreed to release all political prisoners. Therefore, these were the conditions. What do you know about round table conference in which Gandhiji participated? Gandhiji participated in second round table conference. It was held in London in 1931. It failed, and there was no negotiation was negotiation was broken down, because no political party or individual or any representative came to a negotiable point. Therefore, Gandhiji came back barehanded and resumed, civil disobedience movement. Then in this video, this much. Some more questions we will have in another video. Thank you.